How this type of initiative really?
See, I think that if you want to preserve a community, then it is very important to lay foundation on our culture, on different aspects of our culture, whether it is cuisine, whether it is a dress, whether it is a language, whether it is the traditional things that we have practiced, even could be sports, some music. So the best way of doing so is with the community coming together. And we from the TTADC have believed that we have never, the previous government have never paid attention in building community halls and places where smaller communities also need to get together for the festivals, for the, it could be a cultural festival, it could be a youth meet, it could be a religious meet. So we have decided that here we will construct a 500 seated community hall, cultural hall, so that the people from the Malsom community can get together during the good time, during the programs, cultural events, religious events, and thrive as a community. So we have done that, and today was the foundation stone of yours.
So language is a very crucial thing, and the fight for language is going on, especially for Goro. When the government is saying they are suggesting for a new script for creating a new script, what is your reaction on that?
What script would that be?
They say a new script.
But they should specify, no? What script?
They have not specified,
So
but
let
they
them
say,
specify.
like Chakma, they are coming with a new script for Gok. They have suggested for the intellectuals to come to.
So who are these intellectuals who are going to suggest?
They have
Tell
not
them to
given
give. See, intellectuals cannot be those who only agree with you. Intellectuals have to be also accepted by society. And if those intellectuals are there, let them please come. Tell them that which intellectuals are going to develop the script for Kaupru, Pamporo. Then we will decide whether we agree with these intellectuals. But from whatever I know, most of these people have agreed, most of our students have agreed that we would prefer a certain script. And let them appear for exams in that. And if you want to develop an indigenous script, let them do that. But till the time the script does not happen, let these boys and girls write in a script that they want to, which is a Roman script. And I want to know who are these so-called intellectuals. I mean, by giving people awards does not make them intellectuals. Every year an award is given. Awards were also given by the British to those Indians who opposed the rights of Indians. But eventually nobody remembers those people. They remember those who stood by what was right for the future of our next generation. And finally, I want to say something to all of you that I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, and I know that they have a soft corner for the indigenous people. And I do believe that if they are given the right information about what is happening in Tripura, they will understand the sentiments of our indigenous people. But there are some people who are giving a wrong picture to them, and I hope that they will interact with all of us and understand that our issue is not with individuals or parties, it's with certain groups of people which want to keep the indigenous tribes of Northeast and especially in Tripura deprived and keep us down, make sure that our children don't have a better future so that they can rule over us.
Bhubagra, is there any report as of yet about a member of delegation, 7 members who have went for Delhi?
They've reached, yeah.
So is there any updates regarding the
So once they meet the authorities and the institutions, they will obviously come back and have a press conference. I'm aware that they've gone to Delhi, and I hope that they impress upon the fact that our students should not suffer. If the students are already writing their answers in Roman script, what is the harm if there is an option of English question paper along? I'm not saying remove Bangla. I'm saying keep Bangla, but give an option for Roman script also, so that the students who are giving their answers in English can at least read the questions in English. Otherwise, they will struggle and they will not do well in the exams. This cannot be about politics. This has to be about solutions.
Bhubagra, since the board and secondary examination is going to be on March, so is there any possibility for the adoption of the Roman script officially?
I'm Pradyut Manikya. I'm not the Chief Minister of Tripura. This question should be asked to the Chief Minister of Tripura because they make the decision. What I can do is speak on behalf of you, on behalf of our students. And if they don't do it, then it is a very sad day that because of some people's stubbornness, you are spoiling children's future. And that is something which I will find it very difficult to accept.
Sir, yesterday the Chief Minister had categorically said that money is being given more than what
How much money did he say this time?
he did not mention that.
Because he's been saying different figures every time. So money has been given to TTAGC, but the work is not happening. What work is not happening? If the work is happening, it has only happened in the last 5 years that we are seeing TTAGC as being visible. Before that, what was happening? In the name of TTAGC, state government used to take money. Today, we have done a lot of work for our people. Today, why does the BJP want to fight for TTADC? Because they see that there is potential and opportunities here. But the fact is that if the Chief Minister wants to only take us on politically and not from the development of the entire state, then that is very sad. Because I would think that as a Chief Minister, he would like to talk to his alliance partners respectfully and work towards the model of development for the indigenous people. But if he is going to only speak out against us and speak out to score political points, then I think it is very unfortunate, and I don't think that sort of political culture we should impress upon. I'm still appealing to the respected Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura. Come and sit and talk to me, and we will work out a better model for development. But you cannot bully us or arm twist us into doing something which will deny our people. We are not here to be intimidated. We would definitely like to have a conversation, but the conversation should be on the rights of the people and not on what he thinks is right and what he thinks is right for us. Because frankly, I think we know what is right for us, and we do not want to be lessened by anyone in our society.
But on the contrary, he said the partners should be like partners and not.
Who is actually looking at a new India coming up. That's why he says 2047. So those people who are in power today, who will not be around in 2047, should not be deciding for the youngsters today. And what was your other question? क्या बोला था?
Preacher. The partners should be like partners, not preachers.
So first I thought we were brothers, now we are preachers. Mind मेकअप कर ले. हम preach कहाँ कर रहे हैं? अगर हम सच बात बोल रहे हैं, हमको लगता है कि हम अपना बात बोल रहे हैं, तो पार्टनर्स क्या? पार्टनर्स इन क्राइम या पार्टनर्स इन डेवलपमेंट? वी वांट टू डेवलप द TTADC एरिया एंड यू आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स. आई एम अगेन सेइंग, आइए बात कीजिए बच्चे का भविष्य के बारे में बात है. जो बच्चे पहले से अपना परीक्षा रोमन स्क्रिप्ट में दे रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑप्शन रखिए ना. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ बंगाली को हटाइए, आप रोमन स्क्रिप्ट का ऑप्शन दीजिए क्वेश्चन पेपर्स में, तो बच्चे के लिए अच्छा होगा. ये प्रीचिंग कहाँ हुआ? ये तो सोल्यूशन का बात मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
Thanks.